Habibi, come to the UAE. All these people who were migrating to the UAE to run away from taxes, that the UAE is a Zionist country. There were people saying, let's do Hijrah, let's do Hijrah. How many times have people asked me, let's do Hijrah? Where do they want to go do Hijrah? You tell me. Name the countries. Go through them one by one. You want to go Qatar? Good luck. American bases. Where do you want to go? UAE, a Zionist government. Where do you want to go? This Hijrah fever that so many people mention. And I answered them. One of the ulama of Makkah al-Mukarramah, Shaykh Jabir Jubran, rahimahullah ta'ala, he said regarding Hijrah, that Hijrah, the illah, the ratio legis, the reason for Hijrah is safeguarding Iman, is safeguarding your Iman. And this can differ from person to person. So sometimes a Muslim may have strong Iman even in a Kafir country and the Hijrah doesn't become wajib. And sometimes in a Muslim country the person can have weak Iman, Hijrah becomes wajib. So Hijrah is a ruling that differs from person to person. There can be a person in the UK that the Hijrah is wajib. But at the same time, there can be a person in the UK, Hijrah is not wajib. But what happens, you have these people questioning this thing as if to say all the Muslims must migrate from one country to another. Where do they want them to migrate? You go to Afghanistan today, the Pakistani army is bombing Kabul. You want to move to Pakistan, the Taliban are bombing Islamabad. You want to move to Iraq, they have sectarian killing, the Shia and the Sunni. You want to move to Syria, you have the Kurds and the Arabs fighting and all the various factions. Even though Asham is Darul Hijrah. And there is a secret behind why Asham is the way it is. The person who will migrate to Damascus, considering the state of Damascus, he will only solely do it for the sake of Allah. Not for the high living in the UAE. Habibi, come to the UAE. All these people who were migrating to the UAE to run away from taxes. A trend started amongst Western Muslims. Go to the UAE, Hijrah to the UAE. And they migrated to the UAE as if the UAE is Darul Hijrah. But they cannot speak and condemn the alliance with the Yahud, with Zionists, that the UAE is a Zionist country. They cannot speak like that.